Now, I have talked about this before, but I'm not sure everybody quite grasped what I was trying to say. So I'm going to cover it again. No harm, is there? A lot of people require reading glasses. I certainly do. The trouble with reading glasses is, especially if you buy them off the peg, is chances are one of your eyes is going to be slightly different from the other, which makes them, cheap reading glasses very uncomfortable to wear, frankly, and probably not good for you. But if you go to an optician and have your eyes tested, they are legally obliged, if you request it, to give you your prescription. And then you'll know the strength required for each lens for reading. The other way you can do it, if you can't get to an optician or you can't afford an optician, is to go to one of those very cheap shops that do reading glasses on the rack. And if you've usually got print on the stand that you can read. So you hold one lens over one eye, one pair of glasses, and another pair of glasses over the other eye until you get the balance right. It really depends on the range. These are pretty good because they go in sort of 2.50, 2.75. Some reading glasses don't. I got this on eBay, by the way, and I got 6 pairs for about, less than 15 quid. You can't go wrong with that, but you have to, I would suggest inputting sizes like that, 2.75, so that you're looking at reading glasses that cover a very wide range. Do you get me drift? And then when you know which lens you require for each eye, in this case I require 2.75 in my right eye and 1.25 in my left eye. That's why I've got those at the top. And all I do is swap the lenses over accordingly. And they're brilliant. I've been doing this for a couple of years now. Now, I don't know about you. I don't break those very often, if at all. It's always the frames that break, Fall asleep with them on or whatever. That'll do it. They'll be wrecked by the morning. So the frames that you don't use, that you've popped lenses out to make them up, keep those, and then you've got spare frames as well. So I bought 2 lots of 6, slightly different style on the other ones, and the whole lot came to £28. You won't get a pair of reading glasses in an optician's for less. Well, you won't even get it for that price. I think the cheapest I've seen is £39. So if you want to save a fortune on reading glasses, and you're not particularly vain when you're reading, but you want them right, that's how you do it. Either go to the opticians or one of those cheap shops, look at the print and compare the lenses on each eye. You'll soon work it out and save yourself a fortune. As I say, I'm not vain. These ones have got a blue light covering on them as well. I thought I'd go give those a try this year. But as I say, I've spent in glasses over the last 2 years about 30 quid. You can't beat that. Now, you might think when you go to the optician, well, I paid whatever. I've heard people say, well, I paid £275 for these glasses. Well, good for you. That's what I'd say. Because sooner or later, you're going to break them, and then you're going to have to replace them again. It is a repeat business. So if that saves anyone any money, try it yourself. You'll see what I mean. Then all good stuff. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe.